Good afternoon, sir.
So,
Good afternoon.
are you able
Good
to
afternoon,
see?
sir.
Let me adjust the camera first. So, are you able to see it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Children, am I audible to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many students, just tell me, how many students till now?
25.
25. Very good. So, and wait only a few minutes, so that rest of the students join fast. So, do you remember which lesson was in progress in the previous class?
Yes, sir.
The
Which
Tiger
lesson?
King.
The Tiger
The
King.
Tiger King.
Was it complete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we need to discuss some important questions and answers. Okay. So before I proceed to the intricate discussion of this important question and answer, I must recapitulate it by giving you the main points, isn't it? So in brief, some of the important points. So the prediction, and in the form of question answer itself, the prediction was made about the Tiger King. The Tiger King was born. A prediction was made by the astrologer that he will be the hero of heroes, warrior of warriors, king of kings, means all possible greater attributes were uttered by the astrologer or the king. And can you tell me what was the strange thing about that small Tiger King when he was infant, only 10 days old? Hello, children. When I say that we are having the intricate discussion, means I would like to touch the subtle points. SUBTLE, subtle, sukshma. You see, subtle points, very intricate points, and you need to focus. So, what was the reaction of that, the infant, the Tiger King, when he was only 10 days old? Can anybody remember? These are the intricate points you have to take care of. When the prediction
Sir, he
was
was
made,
started talking.
but the astrologer was not clearly and openly revealing the reasons of his death. Understand? So, what was the reaction? It was a startling, चौंकाने वाला, चकित कर देने वाला. What? You only a 10-day-old child or the infant can speak that, "Oh wise prophet." The reaction was, "Oh wise prophet," and in the tone of growling, that is the sound which is related to the wild animal. Violent wild animal growling. So it was a matter of surprise. The moment the child king said, "Oh wise prophet," it made everybody present there dumbstruck, startled. Are you aware of the word startled?
Anxious.
Means taken aback. Taken aback. Do you understand the meaning? Children, tell me, am I clearly audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Taken aback, हक्का बक्का रह जाना, हौचक्का रह जाना, हतप्रभ रह जाना. This is the meaning. Startled, taken aback, dumbstruck. That how can only a 10-day-old boy speak like that? And ultimately, the astrologer had to justify that under the star effect of bull, different stars are there. Graha Nakshatra, you all know, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, these are the nakshatra. So there is star effect of bull, the king is born, and bull has tiger as enemy. That's why the tiger will be the reason of the king's death. Understand? Astrologically, it proved that a tiger will become the reason of the king's death. Time passed by. When the king came of age, what do you mean by came of age? When he became mature. Very briefly and fast, I am trying to recapitulate the story before coming to the question answer session. So the people started conversing. They would remember the forecast made by, they would remember the prediction made by the astrologer. And the same thing reached the king's mind, king's ear, and the moment he got to know that the tiger will be the reason of his death, he became alert. What did he do? He recklessly started killing the, for the first time, when he came to know, he killed first tiger. He killed the first tiger, only one tiger. And after killing the tiger, he was rest assured that the tiger is not going to harm him anyway, because he has killed the tiger. And he approached the astrologer. What did the astrologer say? What did he say?
He need to kill 100 tiger.
Yes, killing a single tiger is not enough to evade your death. Be aware of hundreds tiger. 100 बाघ से सावधान रहो. It means the king has a greater challenge to kill 100 tiger at least. And the 100 tiger, Swami Bagh, will be the reason of his death. Naturally, the king started recklessly killing the, carelessly killing the, brutally, क्रूरता से, very cruelly, brutally, carelessly, recklessly killing the tiger. You note down such words, it will help you. But he could not reach the destined target. That was the 100. So now, question and answer in between. Children, tell me, when the king was unable to fulfill the target of killing the 100 tigers, and moreover 100 tigers, the number of tigers required to kill was not available, in his kingdom. What did he do? Question भी साथ साथ करते चलो. Are you ready with pen and paper?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you ready with pen? Yes,
sir.
all right.
Yes, sir.
What did the king do to get the required number of tigers? Yes. What did the king do to get the required number of tigers? And anybody? When the king was sure that he killed almost all the tigers of his kingdom, still the target was not achieved. Then what did he do to get the
Sir,
required number
sir,
of
he-
tigers?
Sir, he
Sir, he
decided
had
to get married
married
to in a royal family of a state with a large tiger population.
Yes, sir.
Once again. Let me-
Sir, he decided to marry in the lower family of a state with a large tiger population.
So before marrying the princess of the neighboring country, of course, he decided to marry a princess in the neighboring country or neighboring state to get the number of tigers required. So there were two criteria. Was the king selective in marrying the princess, or he married any princess?
Selective.
Yes, sir, selecting.
What was the basis of his selection?
Sir,
Population of
large
tiger.
number of tigers. Yes, sir.
Yes, number of tigers. Must marry a princess where, or the state where the princess is, must have a greater number of tigers. So the prime concern was not the marriage. Okay, marriage was not the prime concern. Under the pretext of marriage, he wanted to get the opportunity of killing maximum number of tigers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple question. What was the reason of marrying a princess in the neighboring country? Of course, to get the opportunity to kill the tiger. But the king was very wise. He was not going to marry any princess of any neighboring state. He was very much selective, and the reason behind it was very, very obvious, very, very clear, that where tigers are available in greater number, he would marry the Same princess. Of the same state. Understand? So, marriage was the second concern. And then of life and death, marriage comes after. And either get married or die. Or evade your death. Either evade your death or have to get himself of the understand. He availed himself of the opportunity. But tell me, was he able to complete his target?
No, sir.
Was he
No,
able
sir.
to achieve his target?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What was it? But one question before that. Before getting married to the neighboring country or neighboring state, the princess with the neighboring state, the Tiger King faced a very tough situation. Do you remember?
Yes, sir, officer.
When he started killing the tigers in his state, a trouble started for him. A hindrance occurred. What was that hindrance? Yes. What
Sir,
was that
many
hindrance?
Sir, many officer has to lose their job.
Yes, yes. The British officer was willing to hunt the tiger, okay, in his kingdom. He was fond of hunting tigers and getting photographed with the tigers hunted by him. It was an alarming situation for the king. If the officer would kill the tiger, probably he may not be able to fulfill the target of killing 100 tigers. So he was quite adamant that he would not allow the officer to kill even a single tiger. Moreover, he declared a ban. So except the king, nobody will hunt tigers. You can hunt other animals, but so far as tiger is concerned, because it was the question of life and death for the king. Children, next question is, how did the king manage to get rid of the British officer of killing or hunting the tiger? My next question. How did the king manage to stop the killing of or hunting the tiger? Read the question. How did the king manage to stop the British officer how did the king manage to stop the British officer from hunting the tigers in his kingdom? Yes. Situation was very tough. He could not tell him bluntly to stop hunting or not to hunt the tigers. nor could he explain the reason of his death, which was related to the tiger. At the same time, he had to prevent the British officer from hunting the tiger. Understand? So
Yes.
the situation was tough and it required a skill, and a skilled person tries to manage the things, to find a way, and that is called maneuver. There is a expression, proverb in English, that maneuver in such a way that the venom is removed without blunting the dart. It means कुछ ऐसा करो, मैनेज इन सच ए वे कि सांप भी मर जाए और डंडा भी ना टूटे. Means if he could stop him bluntly saying that you are not supposed to hunt the tiger, he would be losing his throne. Understand? And if
Yes,
he